Good morning, dear students of class 8th. Let us finish our syllabus. We are on the last unit, that is Young Scientist, and we have 3 chapters from this unit. The first one is Mangalyaan. You might be knowing about the Mars orbiter mission, also known as Mangalyaan. This was India's first mission to Mars. You might have seen that movie also, Mission Mangal, right? In fact, it is the India's first interplanetary mission, and it was launched by ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization, on 5th November 2013. So please underline all these. The questions can be asked from this paragraph, like name the India's first orbiter mission to Mars. What was the name given? That was Mangalyaan. And when did it reach? It arrived at Mars on September 24, 2014. So based upon that, we have certain questions here. You have to select the answers. Take the correct option in each case. From which launch pad did the Mars Orbiter mission probe lift off? First launch pad. Which PSLV rocket flight was used in Mangalyaan launch? C-25. Which is the planned duration? What is the planned duration of Mangalyaan mission? It was 6 months. Which of these is not the payload in Mangalyaan mission? It is TSC, thermal sensing check. For electric power generation, how many solar array panels are there in Mangalyaan spacecraft? 3 solar panels. Okay. Then the next chapter is about atoms and molecules. As you know that atom is the smallest component of an element, having the properties of element, and a molecule is the smallest physical unit of an element or compound. So just you tick the correct options in each case. The 3 basic components of an atom are, I hope you all know these 3, protons, neutrons and electrons. You must have read in chemistry. An element is determined by the number of protons. Third is, the nucleus of an atom consists of protons and neutrons. You might have read that protons and neutrons are found in nucleus, and electrons, they move in their shells around these. What electrical charge does a single proton have? Protons carry positive charge. Which particles have approximately the same size and mass as each other? Again, the answer is protons and neutrons. The atomic number of an atom is equal to number of protons. Changing the number of neutrons of an atom changes its isotope. When we change the number of electrons of an atom, we produce a different ion. According to atomic theory, electrons are usually found outside the nucleus and often far from it. Now the last chapter in this unit's Young Scientist is about Indian scientists. So some information has been given along with the pictures over here. You have to identify these young Indian scientists. For example, he was born on October 6, 1893 in Shirutali village in district Dhaka, now in Bangladesh. And he was the 5th child of his parents. His father was a grocer in the village. He had his early schooling in primary school of the village. They are talking about Meghnad Saha, this one. The next is, born on September 15, 1860 in Kolar district of erstwhile princely state of Mysore, nowadays in Karnataka. His father, Sri Munivasa Sastri, was a Sanskrit scholar and Ayurvedic practitioner. His mother was a religious lady. He lost his father when he was only 15 years old. We are talking about scientist Sir M. Vishveshwarya. Then the next is, he was a renowned paleobotanist, who study about the plants, and geologist, those who study about the rocks and all. He studied the fossils of Indian subcontinent. He is credited for establishing an institute of national importance for paleobotany at Lucknow. He is famous. He has established this institute of paleobotany at Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. So this famous scientist is Birbal Sahni. This is the picture, Birbal Sahni. The next is, he was an Indian ornithologist. Who is an ornithologist? one who studies about birds, and naturalist, sometimes referred also to as Birdman of India. So you have to remember their names by their the nicknames we have given. Birdman of India. He took extreme interest and excitement in studying birds closely and categorizing them. So here we are talking about Salim Ali. Salim Ali. Then he was an Indian physicist. He was the co-discoverer of Raman scattering, for which his mentor C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. So here we are talking about Sir Karima Nikam Srinivasa Krishnan. So you can remember by his name, or you can write by Sir K.S. Krishnan. Okay. Then the last one is, he was an eminent scientist of 20th century. His best known work is that he had conceived, along with Vishwanathan Saiskheran, to understand the structures of peptides. Peptides, the bonds which are present in proteins. So his famous studies are based upon this, and his name is G.N. Ramachandran. G.N. Ramachandran. So children, our syllabus is finished. If there is any doubt, you can call me, or we will take up in the doubt class. Thank you very much. God bless you.